Good morning, friends, from rainy Cape Cod. This morning I want to share with you a concept that I learned recently, and it's called permission slips. And this would be good for crafters or anybody who has goals in life, and that would be all humans. If you ever find that you're not happy, and you want something, whether it's a new relationship, or to lose a few pounds, or maybe to conquer the crochet world. um, if we were to ask any person about their goals, those things that they want, we ask them, why do you want that? They would, if you keep going back and back, you would find that the reason why you want these things is so that you can be happy, because you believe that it will make you happy. But the truth is, all of these things are actually permission slips to be happy. Happiness is a state of being. So the idea is, if you realize that all of these things in life are just permission slips to be happy, you can actually write yourself a permission slip right now, right here, right now, to be happy. And you may say, well, I don't know about that. I don't think I can be happy with what's going on in my life right now. Well, give it a try. Try it out for, let's say, a week, because even a day might not work so great. But if you practice it, I have used this, and I'll have times where I get really mad about something or very frustrated, and then I remind myself, I don't have to get mad. I don't have to be frustrated. I can still choose to be happy, even though I'm not getting what I want right now. Because ultimately, what we all want is to be happy. So write yourself a permission slip to be happy, and I'm going to try and remember to do that too. So I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.